All right, well, if you want to see a movie today, probably the day to do it, especially in the late morning, early afternoon hours. That's because we're going to have more clouds streaming into the region. We do have storms in the forecast as well. A few of those could be on the strong to severe side. Some heavy rain, gusty winds are possible. The good news, once we get the storms through here, we really clear things out in a good way for early next week. We get a break from the humidity for several days. However, it is summertime. The heat will return as we head into Thursday, Friday, and next Saturday as well. You'll see that in 7-day coming up in just a couple of minutes. All right. Marginal risk of severe weather across the D.C. region today. Mostly the I-95 corridor in portions east. That's where the bulk of the energy will be as this cold front slides across for storms to really kind of fire. I'll show you Futurecast in just a minute here. I want to start with storm tracker radar. Couple of light showers up towards Hagerstown is about the only activity we have. Hagerstown and up towards Cumberland and kind of the Maryland Panhandle this morning. That's it so far. Radar is supposed to look much more active as we head into those afternoon hours. Again, there's your cold front. That's your system, and that will provide the spark for those showers and storms later on this afternoon. Brand new run of the Futurecast. Let's look at it together here. 10 a.m. today. Futurecast still showing some shower activity. Again, I think it's overdoing it, but maybe some showers just north of D.C. We work into the lunchtime hour. Here we go with storms really starting to fire out along I-81. They should start to move across as we work our way into the 3 o'clock hour this afternoon. You see all the reds, you see all the yellows. That's some very heavy rain in some of these storms. And not everybody will see this, but in some of these storms, you could get 1 to 2 inches of rainfall per hour. That is a risk for some flash flooding. So we'll keep our eye on that as we work our way through the afternoon. By 4 o'clock, looks like the bulk of it pushing off to the east of 95. And then maybe we're starting to clear things out a little bit around 5, 6 o'clock tonight. So again, change from yesterday is storms look like they're going to come through just a little bit faster. And we'll continue to post updates on social media all afternoon long. Both myself at Mike T. Fox 5 and Gwen Tolbert will be in later, and she'll have updates as well. 76 degrees, your current number outside. Relative humidity is high, and that relative humidity is a measure of moisture, and that's just the fuel for the fire later on this afternoon. Again, temperatures around the region, generally speaking, in the low to mid 70s to start the day, with the exception of Quantico, which is already near 80 degrees. Again, we do have that cold front out to the west. It is going to continue to push in some warm, moist air from the south, and as that cold front slides across, there we go with the thunderstorms later on this afternoon. The good news comes once this front gets through. High pressure taking control from the midsection of the country. That's going to filter in some northerly wind. That's much drier air coming our way, and we're talking a great start to the work week. Lots of sunshine, warm but not hot, and dry, not humid. Really can't wait for Monday, which is not something you say very often. 88 degrees, generally cloudy today with showers and thunderstorms expected late morning, early afternoon. A very comfortable 69 degrees. Once the storms end, we'll clear things out later on this evening. And yes, by the time we wake up for your Monday morning commute, it will feel rather comfortable. Fox 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast here. 86 for your Monday, a wonderful 86, and 85 for Tuesday. Those are your best 2 days this week. And then once we get towards the end of the week, we really start heating things up again. 91 next Thursday, 95 degrees with a chance of storms by the end of the next work week for Friday. All right, that's a check of your Fox 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Annie and Tom, over to you.
Thank you very much.